The controller was mad at Daisy. Told Daisy to stay in her shed. Daisy had planned something else. Sir Topham Hatt said he's ordered a new engine. Hopefully not a stinky diesel, said Thomas. I agree, agreed Emily. Hey, you, said Daisy. I heard that, you know. Of course you did. You're listening on all our conversations. Yeah, Daisy, take a break. Yeah, Daisy. You are so mean. Who cares? We do, and so does the Topham Hatt. Ah. Uh-oh. Ow! There she goes again, laughed Emily. Thomas agreed. Clumsy Daisy. Then the controller arrived. Yes, Clumsy Daisy. I want you to meet not a stinky diesel, but a nice diesel. Sir, which diesel? Tell me, sir, which diesel is nice? Well, this one, of course. Say hello